Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Bro, Newtone and Best. And today we're going to be taking a look at an outdoor unit made by Best. It's the model CPDI, and the purpose of the video is I just want to take you through how to take out the motor, how to get at the switch area if something were to fail, so you can take care of the issues. So let's get started. Before we start working on this range hood, the first thing, always make sure the power is disconnected to the unit. And you can do that by just flipping your breaker off at the breaker box. To remove these filters, basically you grab hold of the handle. This unit is sitting on a work table just for filming purposes. So you would grab on, you would actually pull the filters up and the filters would pop right out. They're spring loaded here, and that's what holds them in. So here we have the blower assembly. To get this blower out, it's real easy. What you're going to do is you're going to unplug. Each blower has a plug, and there's a little snap here that you just push. It's a little release. You push it and just pull down like so. And I'm going to go ahead and remove these screws here holding this blower in. And there's one, 2, 3, and one more is 4. It's always nice if you had a magnetic screwdriver that would hold it. So this blower is actually hinged on a bracket on the inside of this unit. So all I would do is lift up and tilt this blower, and this whole assembly would come out. And that's all there is to taking this blower out. So I'm going to go ahead and put this blower on the side. If you were ever have to get up inside this unit, what you would do is you can remove this grease rail. It just lifts out of there like so. These side panels are held in by 2 screws from the inside, and again both sides have these little brackets, side panels. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the 2 screws. You got to kind of stick your head in and take a look. There's one. Put that one on the side. And there's 2. What you're going to do next is there's going to be 3 screws. There's 1, 2, 3. You're going to remove those 3 screws. One, 2, 3, and there's going to be 2 more screws, one here in this filter channel and one on the opposite side. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to remove those 2 screws. this whole light panel, you can see it. It was clipped in. This whole light panel can just be dropped down, and now you have access to everything. You have access to changing the light socket, the motor capacitors, one for each motor. You can get at the switches and the circuit board. And again, here's the heat sensor. So everything's accessible, very easy to work on. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.